Hello, students. Okay, today I'm going to explain conjunction, and this conjunction is for both the standard, the third standard and the fourth standard. The third standard, they have it on the exercise 80, lesson 80, and fourth standard is lesson 90. Now let's first follow what does this conjunction means. It is one word or two words in speed. Here, kan, and the other is junction. Kan, it means connect, and junction is meaning meeting place. Meeting point, you can say meeting place. That is just as the railway station. Now the railway station, it's called the conjunction only. Junction it is called. Why? Because their trains are meeting. The trains come, they are meeting over there. So that is a place. So here, junction means meeting point or meeting place. Kan means it's connecting. So here, same way, where like the trains or at the railway station or at the bus stand, where trains and bus meet, here conjunction means for the words, connecting of two words, group of words or the sentences. Follow? And the words which we are using to connect the words, groups or the sentences is and, but and or. Now and we are using this and but are conjunction, children. And joins words, idea or sentences that are similar. Same words, not the opposite. Same words, same ideas or same sentence. Now you just see here. My father is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. Teacher, teacher. Both are similar, isn't it? Father, mother. And what are they? Teacher. So, when we are writing, we write my father and. We are not going to repeat because the sentence and it's similar. So, my father and my mother are teachers. So, for both, my father and my mother are teachers. Both are similar. Both are they are working as teacher. Now here, Ram is a student. Shyam is a student. Both are students. Now here we will not write here and in between. But same they are. So we'll write Ram and Shyam are students. Follow, children? Now then next thing. Radha can sing well, Preeta can sing well. Now what they can do? Sing well. Both of them they can sing well. Isn't it? So Radha, you write Radha and Preeta. Radha and Preeta can sing well. Understood? Radha, Preeta. There are two girls. But what they can do, they can sing well. So, Radha and Preeta can sing well. Now, the next one is but. Now, this but, it joins words, ideas, or sentences that are opposite. Follow? That is opposite only in nature. Your nature or your brother's nature, sister brother ka nature means liking, liking, their ideas are different. So, like here, mother likes coffee, father likes milk. Now, here, mother liking is what does mother like? Coffee. Father doesn't like. So father, what does father like? Milk. So when we are using but, we will write mother likes coffee. Now here, this full stop we will remove, and then here but, and this capital letter will be not there, but father likes milk. So here is the opposite, isn't it? Their liking is opposite. One likes coffee, one likes milk. Other. It is cold in December, it is hot in May. Now here we have got 2 months, December, May, and the season of both the months are different. It's the opposite. So it is cold in December, but hot in May. Follow. Then my mother speaks Hindi. My father does not speak Hindi. Now here mother can speak but father cannot. So how will it be written? My mother So see, how will you write? My mother speaks Hindi, but my father does not. That is your father. So here the word but, because in this both are have the opposite ideas, the opposite liking it is, and same are there. Like father and mother, they are teachers. Isn't it? Father and mother, they are teachers. Here Ram and Shyam, they are students. So same. So when it is same, we are using the ideas that are same children. And they are similar, we use and. For but we use, the ideas are like opposite. Okay children, just now you learned about and but, how and but is used in this conjunction. Now the other word is or, and this or, it joins the word's idea that is giving a choice. Follow. Now you go with mummy. to any place and some things you want to, so mommy gives you a choice. Either you buy this or you buy this, like that choice is given. So for choice we are using or. Now for example over here, I can have paratha for breakfast. I can have sandwiches for breakfast. Mummy has prepared paratha also and she has prepared sandwich. So you have the choice over here. So I can have paratha or here this or sandwiches. That is both you can have. You have been given a choice from paratha and sandwich. You have a choice. So I can have paratha or sandwiches for breakfast. Same way, now you have gone to the shop. Mommy is going to buy new dress for you. So there are you have chosen two colors of t-shirt. So both mommy is not going to buy, but she will tell you. So you can buy the blue t-shirt. You can buy the red t-shirt. That is, there is a choice for blue and red. Both are t-shirt, but color, there is a color choice. So you can buy the blue t-shirt or the red t-shirt. There is a choice over here. You can buy the blue or red. T-shirts are same, so or red t-shirt. Mommy has given you the choice. You can buy the blue or red t-shirt. Have you followed? Now here, we can go for a walk. We can stay at home. It's a holiday. So, in that holiday, you are deciding what to do. Either to go out or just to stay in and enjoy. So, we can go for a walk or stay at home. Okay. So, with or you have understood. Now, there are some also words which joins on some conditions, children. Because, when, if. Now, here it is given, I did not go to school today because it was raining heavily. Here is a condition why you never went to school. So here condition, and for that because. Now here there are two sentences. Here there are no changes. Only after today because is added. I did not go to school today because it was raining heavily. Now then here also, grandfather was at home when I came back from school yesterday. So, when you came back from school, you saw your grandfather is in. Here also a condition is there. So, when you came back, then you saw your grandfather, he was at home. Now, study well. If you want good grades, without studying, no one can get good grades. So here also it's a condition, and for that condition, if is used. Study study well if you want good grades. There can be other if you want to pass also, then if is the condition word. So I hope children you have understood and with the similar ideas. But it is opposite ideas. And or is with the choice. And because, when and if they show us the condition. Have you followed?